Hello, Vision Quest Eye Care family. So today we are going to show you how to use EyecareLive. So you want to go to the App Store, search EyecareLive, it is all one word, and then you're going to download and then wait for it to open. Once it opens, we would love if you would allow for notifications, that way you can see when your appointment comes up at the top of the screen. Next, just go ahead and apply all of your information, first, last name, and email, and create a password. Now you're going to go ahead and search. You can go ahead and search Vision Quest Eye Care, that is 2 words, or you can search Dr. Terry Knoll or Dr. Colin Rush. Then you'll want to connect. Next, you're going to allow access to your camera and microphone, so that way we can call and FaceTime you, as well as give you more information. Next, when you hit continue, we will ask that you update your profile, just first name, last name, address, email, phone number, just so that everything's up to date. After you hit next, we would like you to complete your account, payment, and insurance information just to make sure everything's up to date. Next, you will select make an appointment. You will make sure it says Vision Quest Eye Care in your clinic. You will go ahead and select visit type, and then now you will type in any conditions that you may be having. After you go ahead and include your symptoms, you're going to hit done, and then at the bottom there is option to take a picture of your left and right eye, and then you'll go ahead and pick a date that works best for your schedule. After you go ahead and hit confirm, it will ask you to type in your symptoms, and that's what the take the dry eye test is, or you can type them in later. Lastly, we would like to remind you to please be around your phone by the time of your appointment, as we will call you. Finally, at your appointment time, you'll be connected to your doctor.